What's happening, Kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Man, I am super excited. This is the first episode of Natty Nights. So, I wanted to get this Natty Nights going, man. Well, you know what? First, let's do this. I've got my Natty light for Natty Nights. I wanted us to be able to sit here, man, relax, just hang out a little bit as family, since y'all are my kinfolk, man. And so I tell you what, y'all go grab a cold beverage, whatever you want. I'll wait for you, and then we'll get started. All right. So like I said, kinfolk, first episode, Natty Nights. What I wanted y'all to do is, just send me anything y'all wanted to, and I would open it on Natty Nights. And if it was a letter, read it to you. If it was stickers or whatever, show it to you guys. But my main purpose for doing Natty Nights is my vest here. I was hoping that what we can do, and I've gotten a lot of responses, man, a lot of great response about this, is to get patches from you guys to fill up my vest. I want to fill this vest up with patches from all y'all. And whatever y'all want to send me, man, patches, as far as patch style goes, whatever. Just as long as there's no kind of, I can't put any kind of MC patches on there. So, but anything else, I'm all for it, man. So, we actually checked the mail the other day. I've got two packages. Super excited, man. So, let's go ahead and let's just get them open, see what we got, and we'll go from there. First, I'm not sponsored yet. Natty Light, if you see this, come on with it, man. I'm ready. Let's do it. Oh, by the way, let me tell y'all something, man. We ended up hiring a new cameraman just for this episode, Natty Nights. And so let's introduce him real quick. We're gonna go ahead and introduce his name. Fat Boy R6 recommended him, and he said he's top notch, man. So I went ahead and gave him a shout, and he accepted the offer. So we're gonna go ahead and meet him. His name is ES. Come on up here, man.
I'm okay.
Come on, man. Just come say hi to Kinfolk.
Nah, it's alright.
All right. Well, I guess he's too shy to be in front of the camera, but his name is ES, which is right here. And that's my new cameraman, man. So he's gonna be just my cameraman for Natty Nights. So appreciate you being here, ES. And so let's go ahead and get this started, man. All right, so first one, we'll open this one first. First one is going to be, from what I hear, how they say it, from across the pond. This one's actually from England. I'm excited about this, man. This is from Dave XS, I'm sorry. And everybody that has a YouTube channel, man, that sends me something, I will leave their link down below in the description box. So Dave actually he's got a YouTube channel. I don't think he's got an Instagram yet, but he's got a YouTube channel. So I'll leave his link down below. Let's get this open and see what it is. All right, let's see here. All right, so the letter says, "Love and peace to you and yours, Dave XS. Something for you, something for your toolbox." Awesome, man. Hey, I appreciate it, Dave. It says, "Knuckles don't open with knife. Stickers inside." So let's check it out. Make sure I don't rip it. Oh, hell yeah, man. So it's a bulldog with flag and then a checker flag mixed in with it. Let's, I'm gonna show y'all, let me see, I'll show y'all a little bit here, but we're gonna go ahead and I'll show y'all in a close-up. ES, cut the close-up, ES. ES! Close up, man, come on. Man, pretty sweet, huh? Dave, I appreciate it, man. I'm definitely gonna put this on the cabinet out there. So once I do that, I'll post it on Instagram, and then I'll put it in a video so you can see Dave on the next one of the next videos I'll show you. Appreciate it, brother. All right. So let's go to the next one. The next one is going to be from my buddy, the Blue Bike, and I hope I'm saying this right, brother, Doyle, right? So if I'm not leaving in the comments, I apologize for that. But I'm not good at reading as it is, so. All right, so let's check this out. And I know the Blue Bike does have a YouTube channel and an Instagram, so I'll leave both of his links down below. All right. Apparently I can't pull shit out of an envelope either. There we go. All right. All right, so he put, "Hey Knuckles, here's some patches for your Natty Nights. Good luck with Natty Nights, ride safe. If you ever make it out to Georgia, look us up, the Blue Bike and Doyle." Hey brother, I definitely will. Woo, boy, he sent me a bunch of them. Right on, so let's check them out. We've got 5 patches. It's gonna be a nice start. I appreciate that, brother. All right, so let's, this one here, 318 curves, 11 miles. Smoky Mountains, Tennessee. Tennessee 129 with the dragon on it and stuff. Right on. Politically incorrect. And then it's got a picture of a guy on a motorcycle. This says, "Are we going to ride or are we going to dick around all day?" Love that one, brother. Hell yeah. I tell you what, I'm definitely trying to dick around all day. I ride full throttle. Love it, love it. And the last one, Wicked Wheel Bar and Grill, Panama City Beach, Florida. Awesome. Man, oh man. Like I said, kinfolk, man, what a way to start it off. Dave XS with a Techno. And then my buddy Blue Bike. Oh, let me tell you a little something about the Blue Bike, man. This guy here, he's got a bike, a Road Glide, which is the exact same color, same theme. It's got the same blue with the blue pinstriping on the bike as Old Blue, which is my bike. Love that bike, man. I'm actually a little jealous, though. I'm actually a little jealous, man. But I'm actually looking at maybe trading in for a Road Glide. But the color, great minds think alike. So anyway, this is gonna be a great start to the vest. This is gonna be a great addition to the cabinet out there. And man, like I said, kinfolk, so if y'all wanna send anything, I love getting letters. I love getting, just whatever you wanna send if you wanna participate in this here. Just send it to the P.O. Box. P.O. Box will be down below. And we will do Natty Nights every Friday. I'm sorry, every first Friday of every month. So we'll check the P.O. Box and then we'll get them all together and we'll do it on the first Friday of every month. And man, I can't wait. Look, I'm already right here. Look, I'm already showing. I'm telling y'all, this is gonna be killer. Look, starting it off. Right on. It's gonna be nice. And then, we'll add it to the back too. If I can get some, put them on the back, we'll add them to the back also. But it's definitely gonna be a nice start. So that's it, kinfolk. Man, I appreciate everybody that has sent me messages letting me know that they're gonna participate in this. And I appreciate the Blue Bike and Doyle for sending me stuff. And then Mr. Dave XS, man. So everybody that is supporting my channel, man, that supports me on Instagram, and this is gonna be awesome. I can't wait to see where this goes. I really appreciate every single one of y'all. So if you got anything, just shoot it to me, man. So until next time, Kimfolk, I appreciate y'all watching Natty Nights, the first episode. And I hope to see y'all back again the first Friday of next month. Until then, ride safe, much love, Knuckles out. Yeah. Cut it, Ian! Cut it out!